Hello. Okay, let's wait the others. Very good. Good afternoon. Who else? 4. Okay, 4. Faster. How many? 5. Okay, let's wait the others. How about the others? Where are they? Hmm, 8. Okay, 8. Okay, we are going to start now. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Everybody can hear me? Oi. Hey, Ball. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Can? Can you hear Teacher Chris? Can? Yes or no? Cannot? Why it's not? Again. Okay, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am good. Okay. So this afternoon, we are going to learn about the human life cycle. Okay. So in your book, you have the human life cycle there, but it's not complete. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is to learn what are the human life cycle. Okay. So on you hold this one. Wait. Page 10 of your book, page 10 book of your science book.
Teacher,
Okay,
saya book.
yeah, this is science.
Okay, teacher.
Science book. Ah, Science book. Yes, that one. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. On page 10, you have the humans at different ages. But it's only like the picture, okay? It's only the picture. So what we are going to do now is to learn what are the human life cycle. But first, we are going to know what is cycle means, okay? So the word cycle means or makes us think. The word cycle makes us think about things that go round and round. So, like the motorcycle, so it's round and round, meaning to say there is no ending. So, it's a cycle. So, from going up and then going to down. So, that is cycle of life. Okay, so it never ends. Okay, uh, like the wheels on your bike or scooter. So like what I've said, so it's a cycle. So today we are going to be looking at life cycles. Okay, so life cycle. So how does you grow or how does people grow or what are the life cycle of a human? So we are a human, we are a people. So we are going to learn about that one. What are the cycle of human? Okay. So we have an example here. Although we have a life cycle, but it's different from animals and insects. Okay, so later on, we are going to know what are the life cycle of a human. But here, we are just going to know first the life cycle. So a life cycle describes the life of a living from when it is born, so when you are a baby, to when it grows up, including the changes during this time. Okay, look at this life cycle. So we have the example here. So the first example we have is the life cycle of a kangaroo. Okay, so look at the kangaroo. Okay, so first, we have the kangaroo. It has a baby. Baby in the womb of the mom. Next, after that, so the female kangaroo gives birth to a baby kangaroo called a joey. Okay, so this one. One, and then after this, two. Next, we have this one, number three. Okay. Then we have number 4 and then number 5. After this one, the mommy kangaroo will have another baby. So it's a cycle, a never-ending cycle of life. So this is the life cycle of a kangaroo. Now we have the life cycle of a frog. Okay, frog. Look at the frog. It's also different. Here in the kangaroo, the life cycle is not from the egg. Okay, so it doesn't lay an egg. But here, you can see there is an egg. Okay, so it's very different from the life cycle of the kangaroo. So the frog, so the female frogs, a mass of eggs which are fertilized by the male. Okay, this one. After this, it turns to be a tadpole. Oh, this one. After the egg, it will turn to be a tadpole. Oy, baitoy. So after that one, number 3, it will looks like this. So it has fins now and tail, but not the long tail or the big tail. It's just only a small one. Then we have this one. It turned to be like this and it now goes like this, the big frog. So this is the life cycle of a frog. Now let's go to the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, it's different, okay? Kangaroo, frog, and butterfly, they have different kinds of life cycle. So the first one here in the butterfly is, it has an egg also, but you can see the egg is like in the leaf, on the leaf, okay? So on the leaf, it's thick on the leaf, but it's an egg, so small egg on the leaf. After that one, it turns to be a caterpillar. Okay. Then the pupa. Okay. And then the larva, it will be like this. And then it will become a butterfly. So the butterfly again will lay an egg. So it's the same process. Okay. It never ending process. That is what you call the life cycle. But that is the life cycle of animals and animals and insects. Now we have the life cycle of a human. Okay, look at very carefully. So the different stages of being a human. Okay, being a human. Look at this one. Okay, just like other animals, humans have a life cycle. Okay, so in 30 seconds, think as many different stages of being a human as you can. Below is a picture to help you start. So this one, what do you call this one? This is what? Huh? What is this? Oy. It's a baby. Very good. It's a baby. So let's start. Okay. So the first start of the human cycle is the baby. Okay, we will know that one later. Okay, wait. The 30-second timer. Okay, so we have now the human life. Okay, so this is the human life cycle. So the human life cycle starts with this one. What do you know what is this?
Baby.
It's a baby. Very good. Okay, the baby. The human life cycle starts with the body stage when babies are born. Oh, the first stage is a baby. They cannot do anything for themselves. Okay, baby cannot do anything for themselves. So if you have a baby brother or a baby sister, then the baby in your house cannot do by themselves. They cannot walk, they cannot eat. Okay, so up until they are 6 months old, babies don't eat normal food like what we are eating right now. Babies do not eat the same as we are. So they are just only, or they only drink milk. So they just only drink milk. It isn't like the milk that you might put on your cereal. It has all the things a baby needs to grow properly. Now, the milk is not the same of what you are taking. Like the milk from the school. Okay, it's not like that. So it's not good for the baby. But the baby, they have their own milk. Okay, so that's why your mom or your dad will buy a milk for your brother and sister. So it's because it's not the same milk, okay? They have different milk. Then babies needs lots of sleep. So the baby needs a lot of sleep. That's why baby are always sleeping. Then they don't usually sleep all the way through the night, but they will often sleep during the day as well. So they are not sleeping at night, but they are sleeping. Mostly they are sleeping in the or during the day. So that is a baby. Next, babies can't talk. When something is wrong, they will let people know by crying. So the baby cannot tell, oh, I'm hungry. Cannot. They will just cry. The baby cannot see, cannot tell also that, oh, this is painful. Cannot. Okay, they will just only cry. It's because baby cannot talk. Okay, so next. Okay, first stage, you need to remember this one. First stage is we have the baby. So the next one is we have this. Okay. The toddler. After the baby, after the stage of the baby, it will become, or the second stage of the human life cycle is a toddler. Okay, just like the name suggests, the toddler stage is when a baby is starting to toddle, which means wobbly walking. The toddler stages are from ages 1 to 3. So 1 to 3 years old is what you call toddler. So as well as learning to walk, toddlers go through lots of other changes. Oh, now their teeth starting to grow. Okay, so can you observe that when you have a baby sister or brother? When your brother or sister will turn to 1 to 3 years old, they are now, or their teeth starting to grow. Then they start learning to talk. Okay, like mommy, daddy. Okay, so they are now starting to talk, or they are now learning how to talk. Then toddlers start learning to eat lots of food and to feed themselves. So they are now starting solid foods, okay? But not that too many, okay? Only a few ones, but they can now eat, or they can now digest the food. Then toddlers still can't do many things for themselves and need lots of help from their grown ups. So that's why the big sister and big brother, when your sister, your little brother or sister needs to walk, you need to hold their hands. Okay? So because they cannot do it, although they can do, but not that much, okay, or not that stronger. Okay, next. Number 2 is toddler. Again, always remember this one is a baby. This one is toddler. Number 2. Number 3 is child. This is where you belong now. Child. Okay, so this is the stage you are at now. You are a child. You belong to this stage. You are a child. You are now learning to be independent, which means there are more things you can do on your own. Okay. What can you do on your own now? So what can you do as a child? Okay. An important part of this stage is starting school. Oh, same with you. This stage is full of lots of changes, and children learn to do lots of things such as, oh, number 1, reading. Can you read? Yes or no? Can read? Why? Can you read? Yes or no? Huh? Can you read? Yes or no? Yes. Right. You can now write. You can now write your name. Next, counting. You can count 1, 2, 3. So you are now counting. Next, riding a bike. So you know how to ride your bicycle. Then you have swimming. You know how to swim. So this stage you are belong to. Okay. Next, we have child. Okay. You belong in this stage. Next. Oh, this one is baby. This one is toddler. This one is child. And this one is teenager. Okay. So when you reach in the Matthew, you will be like this. Okay, teenager. So the teenager or teenage stage is from ages 13 to 19. Okay. So teenagers are getting ready to be adults and are becoming independent. So teenagers' bodies change a lot during this stage. They get taller and start to look more like adults. These changes are because of things called hormones. Hormones are things inside your body that make your body change. Okay, so you are now bigger. Okay, so you will become more beautiful and you will become more handsome when you reach in this stage. Okay, teenager, and you are now starting to learn, or you are now in high school. Okay, this is teenager. So it starts at 13 to 19 years old. Okay. Baby, toddler, child, teenager, and now it is adult. So this is where I am belong. Teacher Chris, your mom and your dad belong in this stage, okay? Adult. So being an adult is also called being grown up. There are lots of things that grown-ups can do. A lot of adults get jobs and live on their own with friends or with a partner at some point. Many adults have children of their own, which starts at the human life cycle again. Okay. Now, the last part of the human cycle is old age. This is where your grandma and grandpa belong. Okay. Old age. Old age is the later stage of being an adult. Older people retire, which means they stop working. So your grandma and grandpa doesn't work anymore. Okay, they just stay at home and then taking care of you. So this means they have plenty time to enjoy themselves. They may find new hobby or spend extra time to be their grandchildren. So some people have their gray hair. So you will know that it is old age because their hair will turn to gray or white. And then grandma and grandpa also, sometimes they feel the muscle ache. Like for example, oh, my back is painful. So that is an old age, or that is a sign of an old age. Okay, now, okay, I'm going to ask you, what is this? What stage is this? Hey, eyes on the screen. This is what? What stage is this? Natapon. Baby. Okay, next to baby. Next to baby we have. Next to baby, what's this? Huh? Oy. Next to baby.
Baby.
Oh, next to baby. What is next to baby? Huh? Oy. Next to baby is a child, a toddler. Baby, toddler, then child. This is where you belong, child. Next to child is teenager. Okay, teenager. Next is adult, and next is old age. Okay. Oh, baby. Look. Everybody say baby.
Baby.
Again, baby. Everybody follow me, baby. Oy. 3B, grade 3, okay. Baby.
Baby.
Oh, next we have toddler.
Toddler.
Again, toddler.
Toddler.
Everybody say toddler.
Toddler.
Okay, next we have child.
Child.
Again, child.
Child.
Louder, child.
Child.
Only Baitoy is reading. Only Baitoy is following me. Next, teenager.
There is creature.
Oh, this one, teenager.
Teenager.
Very good, Baitoy. Next, we have adult.
Adult.
Again, adult.
Adult.
Ay, what's this? Read. Follow teacher Chris. Next, old age. Everybody say old age.
Old age.
Again, old age.
Old age.
Again, old age. This
Old
one,
age.
again, let's go back. The first stage is baby.
Baby.
Very good. Toddler.
Baby.
We are now through. Again, toddler. Toddler. Again, toddler. Next, we have child. Again, child. Then we have teenager. Again, teenager. We have adult. Again, adult. Then we have old age. Again, old age. Okay, again. Let's go back. Okay, again. Baby. Again, baby. Okay, next. We have toddler. Again, toddler. Okay, next we have child. Again, child. Okay, next we have teenager. Again, teenager. Okay, next we have adult. Again, adult. Okay, next we have old age. Again, old age. Okay. What is the first one?
Baby.
Okay, baby. The second one? Toddler. The third one? Number three. Number three stage. This one, no. What's that on your screen? That is child. Okay, everybody say child. Again, child. Okay, next we have teenager. Again, teenager. We have adult. Again, adult. Then we have old age. Again, old age. Okay. Okay. Again. Number one stage is
Baby.
again. Everybody say baby.
Baby.
Okay. Oy, you are not. I cannot hear you. Unmute your microphone. Unmute so that everybody can say, can follow me faster. Unmute your microphone, please. Unmute. I am asking you to unmute your microphone. Yeah.
Microphone.
All right. So again, the first stage we have is baby. Number one. Again.
Baby.
Okay, number two. Toddler. Again, toddler. Again, toddler. Number three, we have. What is number three? Number three, we have child. Again, everybody say child.
Child.
Again, child.
Child.
Oh, it's not child. Okay, it's child.
Child.
Okay, next we have teenager. Again, follow teacher Chris. Teenager. Oh, stop writing. Okay. Next we have adult. Again, adult.
Adult.
And then we have old age.
Old age.
Again, old age. Again, number one. We will repeat it again and again. Number
Baby.
one. What is number one?
Baby.
Number two. Again, toddler. Number three. Number three. What is number three? This one. What's this? Number three. Oi. Write by name. Baitoy. Number three. What's this? Child. Again, child. Everybody say child. This one. Next to child is teenager. Again, teenager. Next we have adult. Again, adult. Then we have old age. Okay, now open your book on page. We are going to answer this one. Page 16. 16. Book. Yeah. Page 16, faster. Yeah, page 16, your book. Page 16. Okay. Now, on your book, okay, study the pictures, okay? Food that provides energy, put a tick. So we have rice, right? Number one picture is rice, right? Yes or no? Page 16. This one is not colored because I am using the teacher's book. Page 16. 1-6. What is the first picture? Yeah, that's it. What is the first picture? First picture, what's that? Huh? What's the first picture? Cable, what's the first picture, Cable? Cannot see? That is number 16. Number 16. Number 16. 1 and 6. Number 16. Okay. What is the first picture? First picture, this one. Do you know what is this? What's that? What's number one? Number one is rice. Okay, rice. Then what do you see? There is an apple, right? Yes or no? Yeah, there is an apple. Next, you have the, what's this? Carrots. It's a carrots, right?
บอกว่าอาหารที่มีโซดา
Carrots. And then you have the vegetable leaves or the Put a check on the, oh, you listen. Put a check on the rice. Put a check. Check. Yes, check. Tick. Put a tick on the rice. Put a tick in the rice. Finish. Okay, next, number 2. Food that helps any part of the body that are damaged. Okay, you have the number 1, you have the noodles, right? Yes or no? Yes, then you have the bread, right? Look at your book. Okay. Then you have the cake. Okay, you have the cake and you have the chicken, fried chicken. Nah? Eyes on your book. You have the fried chicken. Put a tick on the fried chicken. Put a tick. Fried chicken. Put a tick. Check. Like this. Oh. Check. Fried chicken. Check. Check. Next, page 17. 17. 17, page 17. Okay. Food that helps its excretory system function properly. So you have 1, you have the nuggets. Is that a nugget? Okay. Then you have an egg. You have an egg, fried egg. Boy, Sirate. Quiet, please. Then you have the broccoli, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, then you have the cake also. Put a check on the broccoli. Broccoli, put a check. Yes, put a check. Then the last one, number 1.4. Food that makes you become fat and healthy. So what are the foods that you become fat and healthy? So number 1 is you have rice. Then you have egg. You have also the banana. Then you have the fish. Put a tick on the fries. Put a tick on the fries. Now, listen to teacher. Who's that? Listen to teacher. What you are going to do is to take a picture. And then send in the line, okay? Take a picture of your book and send it in the line, okay? You understand? Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? Okay. So, a minute, we are going to... Okay, take a picture. Again, take a picture and you will send it to me in the line, okay? Again. Take a picture and send it to me in the line, okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Send it to me to the line after you finish, okay? Okay? Okay, so we are going to 40 minutes. Okay. That's all for today and see you again next week. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Okay, very good. Bye, Toy. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Take a picture, okay? You take a picture and send in the line, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. See you again next time. Bye-bye, everybody.
จะบอกว่าจะจ่ายด้วย
Bye-bye.